Welcome back. So in this video I tried to make $29 using Google Translate. I've come across a bunch of videos online that claim that you can make a lot of money using Google Translate. Some even claim that you can make well over $800 per day.
Dedicate those 5 hours to doing this and doing it right. They make on average anywhere from $800 to $900 per day.
Step 1, click onto Write Files and copy this link. Step 2, paste your link in and click onto Add a Website. Step 3, get paid $21.90 times 12. That's $262 every single day.
So I decided to jump on it and try it out for myself to see whether or not what these people are telling us to do is real. So I'll be sharing with you my results, how much it took me to earn this amount, and also I'll be giving you my honest review and feedback about this method of making money online. What I do on this channel is I try out different method of making money online, and I come over here to share with you my results and give you my honest review and feedback about that particular side hustle. If this sounds like what you'll be interested in, like this video so other people can see it and know whether or not what these people are telling us to do is true. And while you're at it, kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe, so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it, watch it, and know whether or not what these people are telling us to do is true. That said, let's dive right into the video. First thing they ask us to do is to go over to this website called CPAGrip. I'm going to log in. So once you are here, you can sign up into the website. So I'm logging into the website now with my credentials. So once I've logged in, it brings me to the dashboard. All right, so this is what the dashboard of CPAGrip looks like, and you can see welcome Hadiza. This is my, beside this is my affiliate number, and this is what the website actually looks like. So the next thing they ask us to do is to go over to where it says all tools, and then you select my offers and see there are different categories of offers. The payout for the first one is about 1 cent, and it says enter for a Samsung A53. So once you go up here, you can see your country, category, show status, and so on. So for us to be able to earn a lot of money, we should select from one of the European countries, either France or Spain. So but he specifically said that France payout is quite high, so we are going to pick France, and the payout for France is quite high, about $30.59. So if you scroll down, everything written here is in French and I cannot speak French. So I'm going to go with this one right here with the payout of $30.59. I'm going to click right here. So once I click on it, it brings me to this window, and what is written here is in French, and that's where Google Translate comes in. The next thing he asks us to do is to copy the write-up that is written in French. We'll copy it and go over to Google Translate. So I'm going to copy this text right here and then go over to Google Translate and paste my text in to translate this language for me. So once I paste it, Google Translate automatically translate the language, and it says enter your information now to get started. Okay, so now that we know what this is saying, we are going to go back to our website and copy this link right here. So copying this link. So once I copy this link, I'm going to go to another website called Traffic Ad Bar, where I'm required to paste the link, and then once anybody come across the link and takes action by putting in their name, their email address, password, and so on, I get paid for that action they take. So I'm going to go over to Traffic Ad Bar, where I will demonstrate further what I did. It says welcome to Traffic Ad Bar, the home of free ads. If you scroll down, you can see there are different requirements that we are supposed to meet
before we can go further to paste our link here. So let's click here to find out more about this website. We are required to climb a level ladder before we can proceed in pasting our link. So it says you have two key ways to advertise your website. Your number one goal is to earn points to move up the level ladder. We have to earn points to move up the level ladder. Okay, so the level ladder is your key to automatic advertising. Each of your website is listed separately on the level ladder. The higher each of your websites are on the level ladder, the more hits you will receive. No one told us this aspect. So we have to get to level 2 to be able to paste our link here. So these are the levels. Oh, these things have levels. So let's click here to find out how you can earn hits. Here it says your second goal is to earn hits. Wow, so we've built up an ad network outside of traffic ad bar that you can use to get your ads seen across internet. All you need to do is view websites. There are bonus points. To earn this bonus point, you need to download the traffic ad bar extension, and it works well for Chrome and
you have watched any of the
Firefox.
videos concerning Google Translate, nobody have mentioned that we are supposed to climb any ladder or pass through any ladder before we can paste our link. All they kept saying was copy a link and then take it to traffic ad bar and paste your link, and once anybody takes action by inputting their informations, we get paid for it. So as you can see for yourself, there are processes to this thing. As you can see, there are processes you have to pass through before pasting your link on traffic ad bar. You don't just fetch a link from nowhere and then you go over to traffic ad bar to put it there, because those people, they are actually out to make money as well. So, and they have their members, and these people, they are out for business as well. You don't just come over to their site and paste a link and then boom, you get paid. You start getting paid from nowhere. If that's the case, a lot of us would have become a millionaire by now, from viewing 25 websites to get a hit, then converting it to points. I mean, if you look at this, it doesn't add up to me. It doesn't make sense. Fetching a link from somewhere and then pasting it somewhere and then boom, you start making money from it. Not as easy as they makes it seem. And to me, it's too good. It's, in fact, it looks too good to be real. And once a method is looking too good to be real, then trust me, if you try it out, you find out that it's even a waste of time after all.
At the end of it all, come to payment center and view my statistics. I've got 0 views, 0 clicks, 0 link, and $0. So I've earned $0.
As usual, to me, I feel you should channel that energy into doing something more productive, like learning a skill or starting up a business, and that way you earn dividend from your labor legitimately. With that said, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and then subscribe, so when I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it and know whether or not what these people are telling us to do is true, or they are just pouring out lies and wasting our time. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.